Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We are going to preview a couple of Japanese toys. We're going to have a September event with Japanese cars, as well as American steel, as well as race cars, as well as Chein and such. So cheers from Ed. Stay tuned for more. September 2026, it looks like we're going to have a Japanese event, as well as 10 car, as well as 10 toy event coming up. We're going to have boxed goodies. I mean, just look at that great detail. Keep in mind, we're always looking for additional consignments. And so that's 1960 Ford. And we can jump over to the perennial ice cream truck that everybody loves, the Good Humor truck, to beautiful Bandai, to Mercedes and Corvettes. Ooh. This will be part of the big book of 10 toy collection, part 1, that'll be integrated into this event. You can see it's a very deep collection with some goodies, even the Buick and Hot Rod. And the event will even jump to Americana. Beautiful piece from Don Kaufman. That ends up being the 98 from Strauss with the driver. Gonna have that as well as Wolverine. Woodhaven metal box toy. Small little Marx beauties. Bowman. Bud Bowman's milk truck. Jeepsters, and it's a Marx. It's kind of unusual. Dick Tracy squad cars. Ultra minty Wyandottes. Got the lady lithographed on the side of the station wagon. Or the Toy Town delivery man. That's ultra clean. Then we're gonna have oodles of race cars. Marx 10 race car, Marx 10 race car. Our stock car racer is a toy we don't know too well. Stock car special. And as far as the maker on it, 59 cents. It's just known as friction drive. Kind of unusual. Maker unknown. Kind of reminds me of Lupor or Marx. How about some more race cars? Rather unusual. Beast. Marx. Lupor. Marx. Got a midget. Boxed. Here's some more goodies. Speed Cycle's an amazing toy. How about Chein? Chein, non-Periel. It's a toughie. Mohawk, I believe, on this one. Look at that lithography. Non-Periel again. Tough toy to find with the lights up front. Keep in mind, folks, this is about 1915, 1920. This is before Marx. Non-Periel without equal. How about some beautiful Marx trucks? US Mail. Very nice version with the insignia on the side. So please keep the Marx toys and all these toys in mind for us over at Antique Toys, as well as MarsAuctions.com. I'm Ed. I could be reached at toys at AntiqueToys.com. And feel free to piggyback on our auction. We accept consignments for another month or so. Again, Ed, toys at AntiqueToys.com. And I wish you a great day and hope you enjoyed the Americana as well as things that sneak in between the cracks, like this future car out of Japan. Take care.